What you're seeing right now started as meaningless random noise. No sketch, no drawing, no human hand, just static. And somehow an AI turns that chaos into a full image. But here's the disturbing part. It can predict what the image should become before the image even exists. That sounds impossible, but by the end of this, it'll make perfect sense. AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL use something called a diffusion model. That sounds technical, but it's actually simple. The AI learns how to destroy images. Then it learns how to reverse that destruction. And that reverse process is what creates AI art, which means every AI image is basically a controlled hallucination. Before generating anything, the AI trains on millions of real images: faces, landscapes, animals, lighting, textures, objects. It learns patterns. It learns that skies are above landscapes, that eyes appear on faces, that fur reflects light differently than metal. But then something strange happens. The training process starts destroying the images. Noise gets added again, and again, and again, until the original image is almost gone, like turning a perfect photo into TV static. Now here's the key idea. The AI is forced to predict, what should this look like one step cleaner? Then again, and again, and again. After enough training, it becomes extremely good at reconstructing images from chaos, and that single idea changed everything. Now imagine you type a sunset over mountains. The AI does not search for images. It starts from pure random noise. At first, nothing makes sense. But then it starts removing noise step by step, and slowly, structure begins to appear. Blurry colors, rough shapes, mountain silhouettes, lighting, reflections, clouds, tiny details. It's like watching reality form out of static. And here's the crazy part. This happens dozens of times in just seconds, meaning the image is constantly correcting itself while it appears. Technically, the image doesn't just appear, it evolves into existence. So how do words control all of this? This is where prompts come in. When you type a futuristic city at night, those words become mathematical signals. They guide the entire process. So at every step, the AI checks, does this match the prompt? If not, it adjusts. That's why changing one word changes everything. A dog versus a realistic golden retriever in cinematic lighting. Same idea, completely different result. The prompt gives instructions. The diffusion model builds the image. And this is spreading everywhere. Movies, games, ads, architecture, science, social media. Some experts believe this could help us simulate things humans can't even imagine yet. Which means this isn't just AI art. This might be a new way of thinking. So AI doesn't draw like humans. It starts with chaos, then removes randomness until meaning appears. That's diffusion. And once you understand that, AI art stops feeling like magic, because underneath, it's just prediction, probability, and engineering, which is somehow even crazier. And now you'll never look at AI images the same way again. In the next video, you'll see how AI understands language and why it works completely differently from this.